What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're getting into an entire tour of my office for 2020. I mean, I haven't done an office tour like this in quite some time. A lot of things are different around here, so I figured I'd walk you all through them. And well, without any further delay, let's get into it. And subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and hit the notification bell because it's the cool thing to do. So let's get started. So first up, we have my custom gaming PC. This is like one of the main computer desks here in the office. I do have my MacBook on here. I edit most of my videos on my MacBook, and this is mainly here for gaming and just to look badass because it does, let's be honest. Inside of this Fantex case, we have a 9900K, 64 gigabytes of RAM, and yeah, it's pretty much a beast. I mean, it's got a lot going on there. I do have a 1080p, 240 hertz ViewSonic Elite monitor, ROG keyboard, and Corsair mouse there. And so this is the entire desk here. You can see in the background, got a bunch of stuff that's on these shelves right here that isn't always, it's stuff that's been in use or is going to be in use, and just stuff that, I don't know, I pile a lot of junk on that shelf. You can see here I have this EVH 5153 right here. It's a guitar amp, in case you didn't know that. I have this custom gumball light, which is cool because you can turn the little dial to control the dimming. Pretty awesome. A custom projector light here as well, and this cactus light, which is pretty dang cool. Now this right here, this whole little area is a setup that I have for filming. I mean, you've seen me shoot videos in front of this wall before. I have an overhead camera that I put on here, and then this is kind of like the view of the tabletop, which I think is pretty cool. I got this off of OfferUp a while back. Somebody custom made this tabletop for this standing desk right here. And then I have this thing right here, which I can set items on when I'm not using them, bring them up to the table. But anyway, yeah, you've seen this little backdrop before in other videos. I have the blue light right there, which is usually out of frame. So it's kind of something like this, I guess, in the background. If you've seen any of my recent videos, this is in there. I have a bookshelf or a little shelf right here that I store a lot of camera equipment on. So we have various lenses and you know, cleaning tools for the sensors, and I have different camera peripherals down here, like little tripods and things like that. Just a bunch of random stuff that I need to have access to pretty easily. In fact, I have a little light switch up there so I can, because it gets kind of dark in this area, obviously, as you can see. So I have a light switch up there, which allows me to find what I need to, when I need to. I have a printer here, nothing special. I mean, really nothing special about this whole shelf. It just stores equipment. This cart right here is so valuable to me because A, it's a cart, so it rolls around like that, but it keeps a lot of stuff that I use very frequently, like gaffer tape or double-sided tape. We have a little, like some of these little cable clips right here. I have some tools like screwdriver, a saw. I have some zip ties right here, which I can use for cable management. I use the hell out of these command strips. I don't know if you guys dig these, but I think they're freaking awesome. They saved my life so many times, but this is kind of a valuable little cart to me because it just has a lot of tools that I use often on it. Over here, I got like a huge like toy collection. I love Iron Man, I love Spider-Man. I have a bunch of action figures over here, a bunch of Spider-Man stuff and Iron Man stuff. Kind of, you can tell there's a theme here. I dig Spider-Man and Iron Man, so I got a lot of those action figures and collectible stuff over here, as well as like a huge glow-in-the-dark cabinet full of them. And that's right above this kitchen area. So I have a fridge, obviously, little sink, trash can, nothing special there. This is my dog PD. He passed away a few years ago, actually, quite a while ago. So I have this little shadow box dedicated to him. I also do have this computer setup, which it's not currently plugged in right now, but it's a water-cooled setup that was built inside of a PowerMac G5 case. If you've been hanging around the channel for a while, you probably remember this build. It's pretty dope though. I mean, I love this computer. I'll never dismantle this computer because it's just too freaking cool. And we have a BenQ 144 hertz monitor right here, and then some peripherals attached to that. This is one of the doors to my office, the main door that I use all the time. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the whole front room up here. You can see there's just a lot of stuff going on. I forgot to mention, I do use these Elgato key lights. I love these things. I have them clamped to each corner of the desk, and they pretty much light me very evenly when they're clamped up there, which is pretty cool. So we have another room to check out, which is the back room, and there's a whole lot of other stuff going on in there. I'm probably not explaining like every little detail of this office tour, but I wanted to just kind of show you guys around, and if there's anything specific that you want me to go into detail on, definitely drop a comment below. All right, so over here, this is a bathroom, not that much fun. This is a jib that I've had for quite some time. You can get some cool like wide angle HGTV shots with this jib. It's got counterweights on the back. You put the camera on the front here, and it just gives you a kind of a cool look. Now this, my friends, is my entire back room here, and there's a lot of stuff going on here, and we'll kind of just go around the room pretty quickly here. This is another door entrance to the office. This is my Ninja Turtles corner. Because I'm just such a kid at heart, I have this Ninja Turtles arcade here, which is super freaking fun because you have 4 people that can semi-comfortably play on this, and you can see, like, you can actually, like, yeah, play the game here. Look at that. It's freaking awesome. Like, this is so cool. It's an arcade 1-up unit, which I actually got a custom light-up marquee for. And you can see here I have Ninja Turtles action figures here, and here, and here, and down, the whole corner is Ninja Turtles. And I have this cool sewer mat. It's a rug or like a doormat that I got from Etsy, which is pretty freaking cool. I actually dig it. It looks super realistic, as you can see. So anyway, over here we have my giant Bluetooth speaker, which is made by Fluence, that company right there. I do have doggy bowls right there because my dog Zelda is trying to sleep, but am I bothering you, Zelda? She's like, what are you doing? Anyway, I have this mural picture right here. This is a digital picture frame, basically, and you can change the photos on it by waving your hand across it, which is pretty dang cool. You can load up whatever you want on there. I actually really dig that. I have some skateboard decks up there as well, and these lights that are hanging above this turtle corner here. And then I have, I mean, this is another angle that you guys see a lot in my videos. This one right here, the front one. So in this background, you can just see a bunch of like collectibles and toys and phone boxes and another custom light that I had made along with this one right here. Ooh, and we have the Z Flip chilling right here on the wireless charger. Camera battery for my main camera, and a shelf full of a bunch of cool and geeky things because I am very geeky, like this custom skateboard lamp. Got an IKEA light right here. This is like the main like TV area or chill area. If I need to shoot something with a TV involved, this is where I'm gonna do it. You have that coffee table right there, which I shoot a lot of stuff on. There is an Xbox One X and a PlayStation 4 Pro, the Spider-Man version that's hanging out inside of that cabinet down there. And then we have the couch here with little Zelda hanging out. And this is the, it's not actually a barrel, it's kind of a storage thing. I have blankets in there because there are times where I get so tired I just sleep on this couch. Over here, we have a chest. I'm sure many of you are familiar with this chest across my channel. I do have this science beaker light on it, and Thor's hammer, and a case for my acoustic guitar, which is right up there. And then a bunch of other nerdy, I mean, this whole wall right here is like Nerd City. It's for another channel that I run actually, that I do videos on a lot of different collectible stuff, like these cool looking Iron Man things and these like statues, like this guy right here. If you haven't seen this channel and you're into this kind of stuff, I will link it below for you, but a lot of collectibles happening here. Way too many to even go over this entire video. And this is the little filming setup for that area. I have one of my main cameras right here that I have set up on there, and then I have another camera hanging from a C-stand, which is boom right there. It's all powered up, so the camera and the monitor are always just chilling there, so I can kind of shoot at any time. But yeah, this is the back of that whole setup, And yeah, there's, you can see just a lot of stuff here everywhere. It would take way too long to go over everything on this shelf. And this is the other side of that. You can see these Elgato key lights are pretty dang bright. And then I do have the monitor and the camera, as I mentioned right there. A6500, Canon C200. I have another stand right here. All this stuff kind of stays in place with the exception of this because I use that a lot to shoot every video. And yeah, I mean, this is the entire back room here. It's pretty full of stuff. You can see there's a lot of things happening here, and obviously way too much to go over in one entire video. But it was nice to give you guys like a little tour of what I have going on here, especially in 2020 in my office setup. And if you want to see more videos like this or anything in depth explained, definitely drop a comment below. Leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it does help out the channel a lot. Smash that like button, as they say. I don't say that though, but they say that, people. Anyway, I want to know what you think about the whole setup. Is there anything you would change? Anything you want to see me improve on in the setup here? Definitely drop a comment below. Leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if I haven't already said that. And subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because that's what the cool thing is here to do on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. Once again, this is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.